got a mall haul. Okay, so first, like those little like kiosks in the middle of the mall. We got a carrot squishy. It kind of doesn't have a lot of stuff in it, but that's okay. It's pretty good. I really like it. Anyways, moving on. Now Fabletics. So basically, Fabletics is like a athletic store shopping thing. So we can get Emma and Georgia to comment. That's literally be my dream. She's literally my favorite YouTuber. Like literally. This vlog is so cute. Okay, now back to Fabletics. But not before we focus on God. First, these butterfly shawls in blue. They're really pretty. And they have pockets. Like they have other little like shirts inside, and they have little pockets.